channel. I do know that I've been gone. I didn't even introduce myself. Hi, my name is Moesha. For those who don't know me, for those who do, welcome back. So I do know that I've been gone a very long time. I do apologize about that. It's been like a year, but no worries, I got y'all. I'm back and I'm staying that way. So today, based on the title down below, you guys see that we're going to the beach. I will be vlogging the experience and I'm gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is my outfit for today. Wearing it with these slippers, and this is my beach bag. Hi, Lori. Oh, she's so pretty. She didn't listen to me.
Yeah. And this is my friend. Pretty coming.
All right, thank you. I usually go way down to the end. All right, so guys, we're about to get changed.
Yeah, so we're finally here. Luckily, we found somewhere that has a little bit of shade or something like that.
So yeah, we're gonna get changed and we'll see you guys soon. I almost fell.
You survived.
I did. Long as we slow down nothing.
What? Child. Anyway, so
we're gonna get changed. Yeah. So guys, we just changed.
finally
We're heading back to our spot now. We're gonna do and drink challenge, guys.
don't recommend for lightweights.
Don't recommend without food in your stomach. Okay guys, so we're about to start the do and drink challenge. Let's see who gets drunk first. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be her though.
We will see how this goes. Okay guys, we will see how this goes. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Exactly. So let's get it. We're about to start the door drink challenge. We're gonna see who goes first.
Okay,
So I go first.
Oh.
Alright, so she's gonna read the first dare and I'm gonna either do it or drink.
So do number 1. Stop a stranger who is walking and tell them their feet is on the ground. Do or drink?
Drink.
Shot number 1.
This feels so illegal.
How are you feeling? Feeling nice?
Soon I hope.
We're going to purpose this for the next one?
No, we're just gonna continue. So, dare number 2. Impersonate someone who's passing. Do or drink. There's really nobody passing, so
Drink, I guess?
I suppose.
Because, you know, when I say stuff,
Yeah, right, listen? It's not tea, girl. I hope you guys are able to hear because it's loud, it's windy.
Yeah.
Number 2.
I think my eyes are giving out.
Guys, I'm gonna win this, I know it.
Get down on your knees and propose to a stranger, I might add. Do or drink? Come on, pop out that candy ring.
Do. Guys, so
you guys don't mind being in our vlog, right?
guys don't mind, right? So we're doing a door drink challenge and I'm supposed to propose to a stranger, so I chose you guys. Yes! You don't have any ring though. They said yes that. Alright, so it's her turn. Guys, I cannot see the screen, so I apologize.
It looks as if we're kind of not looking at the camera directly.
Yeah. Number 8. I don't know how to work it.
Call a random stranger and ask them to marry you.
Do or drink.
I'ma do this one. Come guys, who do I marry?
Right!
Period.
Right! It's the fact that we're having difficulties finding someone for her to marry.
I think I found my lucky hubby.
Potential husband.
Potential hubby. See if we can get numbers exchanged.
He's probably married because one next year today, but
I don't know, this, that.
Lori, guys, she's trying to be extra. Wait, I don't know. Maybe.
someone you don't know and ask for their number? Do or drink?
Drink. Sorry. There's no one for me to ask. Guys, everybody's in love here. Everybody here is a couple.
Everybody booed up on my door like that. I'm very much bad mind. Probably that's why I'm in a final love of my life yet. But you know, it's okay. It's alright.
They're out here with their boo.
Everybody and them man, everybody and them woman, LGBTQRS, LMNOPJHIJK.
LMNZ.
Drink up.
What did I just say?
That's how many shots are we at?
I'm at 2. Well, 3 to be exact, and you're at 2 because we did one prior to starting the challenge.
Oh, 2.
Next,
5.
number 5. Blindfolded. Make the other player put you at a random spot and then try to find your way back to the seat. This is a fact. This is about to be tight. So guys, I'm gonna walk with her, put her in a random spot, and then she's gonna try to find her way back to the chairs.
So guys, successful do. So next is Momo, and you got their do number 11. Talk without closing your mouth. Do or drink?
Do. What am I supposed to say though?
So she's going to read my do without closing her mouth. So I got do number 7.
Which I'm about to read with my mouth open, I guess. You said 7?
Mm-hmm.
Hunger.
Ask
a hunger
a stranger
to take your hand.
to take my hand, to shake my hand,
And then refuse to let go.
and refuse to let go. So, ask a stranger to shake my hand and refuse to let go.
Guys, please don't laugh at that. Don't laugh at it.
So now I gotta
Find somebody else on this beach that everybody's so far from us. So it's gonna be like this. And then may I try pull on my hand, but you go like, nah, let go.
guys, fingers crossed. Let's just hope say you know have one wife or one girlfriend or sticking at them head.
That's at the beach.
That's at the beach today. Now. So I had a dare to go up to someone and shake their hand but not let go. However, thank you for participating.
Guys, it's now 2:13. So oh my god, it's raining. Guys, so there was supposed to be a storm coming today. We're on storm alert, and we decided to come to the beach because we planned this for 3 weeks and the storm decided to come today. I feel it's not gonna rain for that long. We're supposed to leave here at 2:30 anyway, so it would make sense to wait it out. So we're just gonna get changed. Video with the beach. Guys, we're about to leave the beach. We're about to leave and we're gonna get Starbucks and then tacos. So yes guys, that's the next thing. We'll see you guys at Starbucks. Bye. You guys believe that we just went to Starbucks and they have no. We just went to Starbucks and they have no water.
So guys, when you can't believe the big Starbucks have no water. I would have to Jamaica though.
We did our order and we're about to give you guys a little, I wouldn't say story time, but like a chit chat of the things we went through to get here today. Where did it start? With the storm warning. It started with the storm warning.
So guys, first things first, we have been planning this beach day vlog for the past 3 weeks. 3 weeks. First week, everything went fine. Second week, smooth, everything went fine. The last week, which was this week,
All of a sudden,
everything
a storm
just
come.
we hear the storm come, here's the category 3, then further down we hear so the rain go start on the day when we decided to vlog. And it's just like everything just never did work us in our favor.
She hit her knee yesterday, guys. Then we thought it was fine, but then it got swollen.
And all of a sudden we can't walk, knees still up, my bunny top. Then this morning, my hurt up my sprained wrist, hands start hurt me.
Like the universe was trying so hard for us not to be here today. We also forgot to mention the fact that I got sick the day before we were supposed to come to the beach. I couldn't talk. Like I had to like Google home remedies. Guys, I was inhaling steam, drinking tea, and I don't drink tea.
The whole shebang.
All of it, just to get my voice back.
And it's the fact that my mom didn't want me to leave the house today because she heard that there was a storm watch, the rain was going to fall.
On that note, guys, so we were in town yesterday, indecisive on what to buy to come today, right? I got this dress yesterday and let me
I
tell
got this
you,
clothes yesterday as well.
she could not get any drive to go home.
I was looking taxi for 2 hours. I didn't get home until 9:30. And when I got home, I was tired, I was in pain, I was exhausted. And this morning, so, right, guys, my mother usually leaves out for work at 6:30. So, you know, I was waiting until she leaves to leave the house. So I planned to get up by 8 and get ready to leave the house by 9. 8 o'clock, this lady still in my house, right?
Today of all days, let me tell you,
Like,
today.
I got here 11:30 and I had to wait on her. And bear in mind, I live far.
Guys, that's the thing, yes, when you live close, I know say, oh, it doesn't take me that long to get here. It is like I use up all of the time and leave last minute. But it's when you live far, you know, see, I don't have no other choice but to leave early. So.
Only in Jamaica, here it's star much out and everybody and their mother.
They have beach, on the road, traffic and everything.
You would never believe that there is a storm coming. Never.
Don't forget to like, comment,
share,
and subscribe to this
and
video.
hit that notification bell.
So guys, we're at Cali's taco spot.
Look at that.
Amazing, right? We're about to start eating.
I already started.
So this, I have a beef and a pork. One is hard shell and one is soft shell.
I got 2 beef.
I thought the cheese would have been like more melted though. But as long as it tastes good.
It's hot.
Let's try them together. Let's flip it for mine. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's good. It's really good.
Guys,
I recommend.
come to Cali Taco.